Hello students, a very warm welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are good and doing great. So myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I am going to start a new chapter, which is your chapter number 12, The Age of Machines. So what are machines? Can anybody think? Machines are machines are the tools, or we can say machines are something that do our work easily and more efficiently and effectively. So machines which play a very important role in our daily lives, by which we can do any of our work easily and quickly. Without machines we will not be able to do our work quickly. In earlier times, early humans relied on the handwritten tools only. So let's begin with this chapter. We'll know more about the machines in this chapter. So let's begin with this. Build up. Read the clues carefully and fill in the correct word. First one is, this metal is strong and used to make tools and bridges. So what is the name of this metal? This metal is iron, which is used to make tools and bridges. Now let's move to the reading of the chapter. The modern world is often called the age of machines because machines play a vital role in our daily lives. From transportation to communication and production, machines help us accomplish tasks easily and efficiently. However, early humans lived without machines and relied on simple tools made from natural materials. Over time, with discoveries and inventions, humans developed advanced technology that transformed the way we live. So our modern world is called the age of machines because machines play a vital role in our daily lives. From transportation to communication and production, machines accomplish us so that we can do our task easily and efficiently. Early humans relied on simple tools that were made from natural fibers, cut natural materials. Over time, with many discoveries and inventions, humans have developed advanced technology that has transformed the way we live and the way how we do our work. Now the next heading is early tools and discoveries of metal. So the earlier tools were made of natural materials, and when was discovery of metal done? We'll study about that. First heading is stone tools. In ancient times, humans used tools made from stones, wood or bones to hunt, build shelters or prepare food. These tools were basic but essential for survival. Over time, humans learned to shape stones into sharper edges, making hunting and cutting more efficient. They also discovered that types of stones such as flint were more effective for making tools. These early tools laid the foundation for later advancement in metalworking and technology. So, in ancient times, human beings used tools that are made from stones, wood or bones to hunt or to build shelters or preparing their food. ये tools जो थी ये basic थे, but they were essential for their survival also. Over times, humans have learned how to shape stones into sharper edges, making it good for hunting or cutting more efficiently. They also discovered that different types of stones, such as they discovered flint, which is more effective for making tools. These early tools laid foundation. In early tools ने एक foundation लेकी हमारे later advancement की, which is used in metalworking and technology nowadays also. Now, discovery of metals. When were metals discovered? Let's see. Metals brought a significant change in human life. The discovery of metal allowed people to create stronger tools and weapons, improving various aspects of daily life. Unlike stone, metal could be melted, shaped and reused, making them more versatile. This led to the development of advancing farming techniques, stronger weapons and better infrastructure. The discovery of different metals played a key role in shaping early civilizations. So metals ने एक significant change लाई human की life में. The discovery of metal allowed people to create stronger tools and weapons which are used in farming, in creating stronger weapon and better infrastructure. And metals, unlike stone, metals can be melted, shaped and reused, and they are make more versatile. The discovery of different metals has played a key role in shaping early civilizations. First metal is copper. The first metal discovered around 8,000 years ago was copper. It was soft, but used for making tools, ornaments, and basic weapons. Early humans learned to extract copper from ore and shape it into various objects. Though it lacked strength, it was easy to work with and helped pave the way for the use of other metals. Over time, people developed techniques to refine copper, making it more suitable for daily use. So the first metal which was discovered 8,000 years ago was copper. It was soft, but it was useful for making tools, some ornaments, and basic weapons. Early humans have learned how to extract copper from ore and then shape it into various objects which we use in our daily life. Is it easy to work with copper? ओवर टाइम लोगों ने कुछ टेक्निक्स डेवलप की टू रिफाइन कॉपर एंड मेकिंग इट मोर सुटेबल फॉर आवर डेली यूज. नाउ द नेक्स्ट मेटल इज ब्रॉन्ज. ब्रॉन्ज वाज मेड बाय मिक्सिंग copper and tin, creating a stronger and more durable metal. People started making better weapons, farming tools, and household items with it. The use of bronze led to the Bronze Age, a period of significant advancement in craftsmanship and trade. तो bronze को how was bronze made? Bronze was made by mixing copper and tin together, जिसकी वजह से एक stronger और more durable metal create होता है. People started making it better weapons, some farming tools, and also household items with bronze. The use of bronze led to the Bronze Age, जो कि एक पीरियड था significant advancement का in our craftsmanship and trade. Bronze tools and weapons were more efficient than stone and pure copper, allowing societies to expand and flourish. The widespread use of bronze also encouraged the growth of metalworking as an essential skill. So, bronze के जो tools थे और weapons थे वो ज़्यादा efficient थे than stone and pure copper. The widespread use of bronze ने encourage किया था हमारे metalworking की growth को as an essential skill. Now the next metal is iron, which was very hard and used for making some buildings and construction materials. Iron was even tougher and more widely used than bronze. Iron tools made farming, construction, and welfare more efficient, leading to rapid advancement in human civilizations. The discovery of iron smelting allowed people to produce stronger and more durable weapons and equipment. The Iron Age saw the risk of powerful kingdoms and empires that depend on iron for their military and economic strength. With the use of iron, societies could build better infrastructure and develop more advancement technologies. So iron was more tougher than bronze or copper. With the use of iron, farming tools, construction, and warfare become more efficient, leading to rapid advancement in human civilizations. Iron was also used in the Iron Age, when the powerful kingdoms and empires that depends on iron for their military and economic strength. With the use of iron, आज की सोसाइटीज जो हैं वो बेटर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और मोर एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजीज डेवलप कर पा रही हैं. The discovery of iron smelting allowed people to produce more stronger and more durable weapon and equipment than even before. Now, impact of metal discoveries. What was the impact of metal discoveries on human beings? The discovery of metals changed the way humans lived and worked. It led the growth of large settlements, improved trade, and development of skilled craftsmanship. Metal tools made daily tasks easier, with stronger weapons allowed for the expansion of kingdoms and empires. The use of metals also influenced art, culture, and architecture, shaping the course of history. So, metals की जो discovery थी उसने change किया. What it had changed? It had changed how human beings lived and worked. It also led to the growth of large settlements, trade को improve किया, and also development of skilled craftsmanship. Metal tools made our daily task easier, while stronger weapons which allowed for the expansion of our kingdoms and empires. Metals के use ने influence किए art, structure और architecture को, shaping the course of history also. So it has a good impact on human beings. Now, next heading is development of transport. First is wheel and carts. The invention of wheel was one of the greatest achievement in human history. It made transportation easier and allowed people to carry heavy loads over long distances. The first cart with wheels were used to transport goods and people. So, the invention of wheels जो थी वो एक greatest achievement थी in human history. It carried many people and goods over long distances. First cart with wheels were used to transport goods and people. Now the next is boats and sailboats. People also built boats to travel on rivers and seas. Early boats were simple rafts rowed by hand. Later they learned to use the power of wind, leading to the invention of sailboats. Then we talk about boats and sailboats. which were built to travel on rivers and seas. Earlier boats were simple rafts that are rowed by hand. Then the human beings learned to use the power of wind, leading to the invention of sailboats. Now, the Industrial Revolution. The world changed dramatically during the Industrial Revolution, which began around 300 years ago. This period saw the rise of large machines and factories, transforming how goods were produced. तो वर्ल्ड जो है वो ड्रामेटिकली चेंज हुआ ड्यूरिंग आर इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन, जो कि हुआ था आज से 300 साल पहले. दिस पीरियड सॉ राइज ऑफ लार्ज मशीन्स एंड फैक्ट्रीज ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग हाउ गुड्स वर प्रोड्यूस्ड. First, we'll talk about the steam engine, which uses steam for its power. The invention of steam engine provided a powerful source of energy for running machines. This led to the growth of industries and mass production of goods. So, steam engine का जो invention था उसने एक powerful source of energy को provide किया for running machines. इसकी वजह से industries और mass production of goods की भी growth बढ़ी. It was first used to pump water from mines, but later it powered trains, ships and factories. This invention made travel faster and helped transport goods easier. Steam engine changed the world by making world easier and improving people's life. So steam engine, invention of steam engine has changed the world by making work easier and improving people's life. It was first which was used to pump water from mines, but later it also powered trains, ships and factories. Now the next heading is growth of cities and factories. Before the Industrial Revolution, goods were mostly handmade in small workshops. With the introduction of large machines, factories emerged in cities. Many people moved from villages to cities to work in these factories, leading to urbanization. So, Industrial Revolution से पहले goods were mostly handmade in small workshops. With the introduction of large machines, factories आई हमारी cities में, and many people moved from villages to cities to work in these large workshops or factories, which led to urbanization. Now the next heading is sources of energy. What are the sources of energy? Machines need energy to function. Over time, humans discovered different sources of energy to power machines. So machines need energy to run. Human beings have discovered different sources of energy. First is coal. Coal was the first fuel used in steam engines. It is formed from dead plants over millions of years. Though useful, coal mining harms the environment and burning coal causes pollution. तो कोल जो थी वो हमारी फर्स्ट फ्यूल थी which was used in steam engines. It is formed from any dead plants over millions of years. It is useful but it also harms the environment because burning coal causes air pollution. Next source of energy is petroleum or crude oil is found deep inside the earth. It is refined into petrol and diesel to power vehicles and machines. Like coal, petroleum is the limited source. So like coal is a limited source, petroleum is also a limited source. Petroleum, or we can say crude oil, is found under the deep inside the ground. It is then refined into petrol or diesel to power vehicles and machines. Now the next is source of energy is electricity became a revolutionary source of energy. Alessandro Volta invented the first battery which could produce an electric current. Later, generators were developed to produce electricity on a larger scale. Today, electricity power homes, factories and modern machines. So, electricity एक revolutionary source of energy बनी. Alessandro Volta invented the first battery which could produce an electric current. Generators were developed to produce electricity on a larger scale. Today, आज की डेट में जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावर्स आर होम्स, फैक्ट्रीज एंड मॉडर्न डिवाइसेस. So electricity has also transformed human beings' life. Now we'll study about alternative energy sources which do not cause much pollution. Coal and petroleum are non-renewable resources, meaning they will eventually run out. They also cause pollution. Therefore, scientists and engineers are developing alternative energy sources that are cleaner and renewable. Renewable energy comes from natural sources that do not run out. So coal and petroleum are non-renewable energy, means once they vanish, they cannot be renewed or replenished. Also, they causes pollution. So our scientists and engineers are developing alternative energy sources methods that are safer, cleaner and renewable, means they can be produced from natural resources and they do not run out. First is solar energy, which we get from sun. Energy from the sun is captured using solar panels and converted into electricity. It is clean, unlimited energy source. Solar energy is a clean, unlimited energy source and we obtain it from sun. Sun Energy from the sun is captured using solar panels and then converted into electricity for further use. Next is wind energy. We get it by wind. Windmills and wind turbines are used to generate electricity from wind power. This is another renewable and environment friendly resource. So another renewable and environmental friendly resource is wind energy. By the help of windmills and turbines, which are used to generate electricity from the wind power. Water energy. The force of flowing water from rivers and dams is used to generate hydroelectric power. This is a widely used renewable energy resource. Another renewable energy resource is water energy. The force of flowing water from rivers or dams is also used to generate hydroelectric power for further use. Last is atomic energy. Nuclear power is generated by splitting atoms. It produces a huge amount of energy but must be used carefully due to safety concerns. Another type of energy is atomic energy. Nuclear power is generated by splitting atoms. It produces a huge amount of energy, but हमें इसे carefully use करना चाहिए because of its safety concerns. So these are the alternative energy sources which are renewable and cleaner and safer. Now it's the time of act and learn. Read the riddles and answer. I shine so bright, I light up the way, but I need power to work each day. At home in streets, I glow at night. Without me, there will be no light. What am I? I shine so bright, brightly shine करता हूँ. I light up the way, but I need power to work each day. So, what will be the answer of this question? Who need energy to work? A bulb, or we can say a light bulb. It is bright, but it needs power to work for each day. Now, like this, you can do the remaining two also. Now, moving to the last topic of this chapter is the future of machines and energy. Scientists are working nowadays also for better machines and more developed machines for our future generations. The age of machines has made life easier and more efficient, but we must use cleaner and sustainable energy to protect our planet. So machines ने हमारी लाइफ easier और more efficient बनाई है, but we should use cleaner and sustainable energy to protect our planet. Scientists are working to improve technology for a greener and sustainable future. Scientists are working to improve technology for a greener and sustainable futures. Machines will become smarter and use less energy, which makes our daily task easier. New inventions will help people work faster and more efficiently. तो new inventions जो होंगे उससे work जो है वो faster होगा and it will be done more efficiently. Solar panels will become more powerful, providing more energy from the sun. Windmills will generate more electricity without causing any type of pollution. Cars and buses will also run on electricity instead of petrol and diesel, जिसकी वजह से harmful emissions reduce होंगे and it will also not create pollution. Factories will switch to cleaner energy resources to minimize pollution in the environment. Scientists are exploring ways to generate energy from ocean waves also. I hope you have understood the topic. Now let's begin with vocabulary. Machine, a tool that makes our work easier. Industrial revolution, a period when machines replaced hand tools in factories. Industrial revolution एक ऐसा period है जब machines ने hand tools को replace किया था in big factories. Steam engine is the machine that uses steam to power other machines. Renewable energy is the energy that comes from natural resources like sun, wind or water. Urbanization means the growth of cities as people from small villages move to cities to work in large factories. Now let us recall what we have learned in this chapter. The modern world is often called the age of machines because machines play a vital role in our daily lives. The discovery of metals allowed people to create stronger tools and weapons. The first cart with wheels were used to transport goods and peoples. The invention of the steam engine provided a powerful source of energy for running machines. Many people moved from villages to cities to work in factories, leading to urbanization. Now, it's the time of exercise. Think and answer. Moving to the first exercise, tick the correct option. What was the first metal discovered? Iron, bronze or copper? Option number C, copper. Which invention marked the beginning of industrial revolution? व्हीकल, स्टीम इंजन और सेल बोट. तो किसने इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन को मार्क किया था? व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? तो What will be the correct option? The correct option is option number B, steam engine. What is the main source of energy for solar panels? Sun, wind or water? Option number A, sun. Which energy is formed from dead plants over millions of years? Petroleum, coal or solar energy? Option number B, coal. What is the force of flowing water used to generate electricity called? Wind energy, atomic energy or hydro power? Option number C, hydropower. Next exercise, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Nuclear power is generated by splitting atoms. The dash was invented during steam engine is invented during industrial revolution. Solar panels capture energy from the sun. The force of flowing water is used to generate hydropower. Dash is a renewable energy source. Sun is a renewable energy source that uses wind turbines. Now next exercise. Tick for the true and cross for the false statement. Iron was the first metal discovered by humans. No, this is incorrect. The steam engine was used to power factories during the Industrial Revolution. Is it true or false? So is it true or false? It is true. Coal is a renewable energy source. It is incorrect. Coal is non-renewable. Wind energy is created using solar panels. This is also false. Wind energy is created using wind energy. Is using windmills or wind turbines. Urbanization means growth of cities. Yes, it is true. So thank you students. That's all for today. I hope you have understood it well. Now we'll meet in our next class. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Bye-bye students.